All right, affecting a lot of folks in our area. Let's get to our live team coverage out in the field.
10 on your side's Deanna Bettineschi was live last night when the flooding began. And Deanna, you're back out there today checking on how residents are recovering.
And these streets are still flooded. Now, there are a lot of SUVs that you could see coming just down the road here that are able to make it through the streets, some trucks as well, but other cars are just too low, and so neighbors are having to park down the street and then walk back and forth to their homes. For many who live down and around Wandsworth Drive, this site is nothing new.
The reason why we're all tripping out because this is only an hour's worth of rain, so can you imagine what we go through?
But for new neighbors like Andy Adams, he didn't know just how bad this area floods.
It's terrible. I'm stuck in my house now.
Neighbors say Thursday's rain started turning their streets into a pond.
There were fish out here. I actually just caught one for one of the girls down there. She wanted to see one.
And they weren't small fish either. Here's a picture Munson took this morning. And while homes haven't been flooded just yet, neighbors' cars weren't as lucky.
That is not my car. That is my neighbor's car, and there's water up to the floorboard.
The city did come out with a truck later this afternoon, but the water still stayed on the road.
It's something to do with the pump station, talking to the neighbors. I'm not sure of, what's going on, but it's something to do with the pump station.
Neighbors say they're fed up. And I did speak with city leaders about long-term solutions that they're working on. I'll have that all new for you tonight at 6. Reporting live in Virginia Beach, Deanna Bettineschi, 10 on your side.